In this video, we will demonstrate replacing and pairing a new remote control with a QActive system. You will need the QActive stand mount or tower speaker system along with a hub, the QActive remote control, and batteries. Firstly, insert two AAA batteries into the remote control. Press and hold the net and link buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. This should reset the remote control. Switch on the hub, then press and hold the remote button on the front of the hub. The LED should start flashing, showing that it is ready to pair with a remote control. When the hub remote LEDs are flashing, press and hold the remote control link button until the LED turns on. The remote control is now paired with the hub and will operate normally. For more information, please visit the knowledge base.